Hi students, welcome. In this video we will see about specific heat at constant volume, that is CV. So here specific heat at constant volume CV is defined as the amount of heat energy transferred to change the temperature of the unit mass of a substance by 1 degree when the volume of a substance is maintained constant. Okay, so here now further, this was the definition of the specific heat at constant volume. We will see another definition also after some explanation. So here see, according to the first law of thermodynamics, for unit mass of a system is given by delta Q is equal to delta W plus du. This is the change in heat transfer. It is here, this is the delta W is the change in work done, and du is the change in internal energy. Okay, this delta Q is equal to, again further here, d delta W is pdv and this du is du. Okay, now further here see, for constant volume dv is equal to 0. Okay, thus here delta W is equal to 0. This pdv becomes 0 as dv is 0, as this is constant volume process. Okay, so further here see, delta Q is equal to du, we left with du here, and this is equal to cv dt. Du is equal to cv dt. Okay, dt is the change in temperature and cv is the specific heat at constant volume. Okay, so now further we can write down this equation as this one, like cv is equal to du upon dt. Okay, cv is equal to du upon dt, and this v represents here constant volume process. Okay, now further from this we can define specific heat at constant volume as here. Now see, specific heat at constant volume can be defined as change in specific internal energy of a substance. This is the change in specific internal energy, okay, of a cv can also be defined as change in specific internal energy of change du. Okay, du of a substance per unit change in temperature at constant volume. dt is the change in temperature at constant volume. Okay, so further here see, now it relates change in properties. Okay, and thus cv, that is specific heat at constant volume, is also a property. Okay, so now further see, for air, that is air is the ideal gas, air is a ideal gas. Okay, the value of cv, that is specific heat at constant volume, is equal to 0.718 kilojoule per kg Kelvin. Okay, so students, in this video we have understood about specific heat at constant volume. Thank you students for watching this video. Like, share and comment for this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.